5 seconds. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I rise to support the Constitution Bill and the representation of the People Bill as passed by the Lok Sabha yesterday. I welcome these two bills because their provisions are aimed at creating such qualitative changes in our electoral system as are bound to make elections cleaner and fairer to sustain democracy in the desired spirit. Elections have to be as clean and as fair as possible, and it is on the basis of the experiences certain changes are proposed to be made in the election laws of the land based on our experiences after the passing of the Representation of the People Act by the Parliament. We must not forget, as my friend was just saying, that there has been a lot of talk about such reforms. On the one hand, the opposition parties have been demanding, and on the other, our ruling party, the Congress Party, has also had its own exercises on the subject. As the minister was telling us, in early 70s, a joint parliamentary committee discussed this problem, and last year, I must tell you, our own party, the Congress Parliamentary Party, had its workshop on this very subject. Stop.